The state of emergency in Westchester County is in effect for 5 days as the storm moves through our area.
Right, so Beeline bus service now suspended as of 3 p.m., so just 4 minutes ago. Checking in with us now is the Westchester County Executive, Ken Jenkins. So, County Executive, great to see you on a very busy afternoon. Thanks for joining us. Now, it's been steady snow all morning long, all afternoon as well. You just heard from our meteorologist, right? Higher elevations like Westchester are going to see higher amounts. How is it looking where you are in terms of clearing some of the roads?
What it's looking like is early in the day that the DPW crews and plow folks that are out there, they were able to stay ahead of it. But as soon as those larger bands of snow came in for the last couple of hours, they just hadn't been able to keep up. So now they're trying to stay on top of things. People did pay attention to almost all the warnings for the last few days to understand how significant this and impressive that this storm is, combined with the lower temperatures that you've been talking about. That's been the challenge. The challenge has been trying to make sure that to clear the roads, and then you turn around 15 minutes later, it looks like the plow didn't come through. So again, we have a little bit of a break in the action right now. We still have that steady stream. It's just not as heavy as it has been over the last couple of hours. But again, people have been listening to those warnings. But again, they need to start getting ready to shovel out. And again, this weather is going to be with us for at least a week. So many things are not going to be operating as normal tomorrow on Monday. I know that for our Beeline system, as you pointed out, it was suspended as of 3 p.m. today. We definitely look like it's going to be suspended on the morning for sure. We'll see later on this afternoon how long that's going to go.
Yeah, well, then obviously it is wise for most people to stay at home if they can. So what businesses are open? Let's talk about closures. Schools, etc. What can you tell us? What's going to be open tomorrow?
In the local municipalities, we have 26 different school districts. Yeah. Most of them have been closing on their own. In the larger cities, certainly Yonkers, and White Plains, and a bunch of other ones that are going to continue to do that. Our school districts, again, for us, if we don't have public transportation in the morning, many of the high schools, the public high schools, use the Beeline bus system to have folks going around. So I would suspect that we're going to have many of the school districts close or doing remote, whether it's a full day or remote. That's a toss up for the school districts to have to deal with. But again, I think that that's going to be a challenge. I know that many of the businesses, again, from the government side, that will be remote work, or again, we gave that option to our folks already. And I understand by this evening, we'll be able to make an announcement on what things from the county government is going to be open tomorrow morning. But again, I suspect that there's nothing going to be open in the first part of the day. Yeah. Whether we have a delayed opening or no opening at all, that's going to be the challenge.
Yep. And so just a reminder for parents that it's individual school districts in your area, not you, that makes the overall decision. Westchester County Executive Ken Jenkins, thank you for being with us, and good luck to all the workers up there in Westchester, keeping everybody safe, all right?